In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Power BI effectively while providing an overview of editing and formatting it to suit your needs. Power BI is an incredibly powerful tool used for visualizing data and creating dynamic reports. Getting comfortable with its interface can help you customize your presentations beautifully and effectively. Let's start from the home page of your Power BI application. The first step is to add a text box. This is a fundamental feature that allows you to insert text content, which can be anything from simple labels to detailed descriptions within your report. Look for the text box icon, usually found in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Clicking on this will insert a text box onto your canvas. This text box serves as your blank canvas, where you can input any text you deem necessary for your report. Once the text box appears, you can click inside the box to start typing. This is your opportunity to convey messages, provide insights, or offer explanations directly on your Power BI report. Consider what information will be most beneficial to your audience and how you want to present it. Remember, clarity is key. Ensure that your text is concise yet informative. After typing your desired text, the next step is where the customization comes to life, moving the text box. To move it, simply click and hold down the mouse button over the border of the text box. Drag it to your desired location on the canvas. It's that easy. This simple click and drag technique allows you the freedom to arrange your text boxes in a way that aligns with your overall design and narrative flow. Consider the layout of your report as you rearrange your text box. Ensure it complements other visual elements harmoniously. You might want to align it with charts or graphs or use it as a focal point in your data storytelling. This practice enhances the structure and readability of your report, facilitating better understanding for your audience. Utilizing these basic yet essential steps can significantly improve your ability to communicate effectively through your Power BI reports. Once you're satisfied with the placement and content of your text box, take a moment to review how it fits within the overall report. Always aim for a professional and polished look, as this will leave a lasting impression on your audience. Remember, mastering text box movement and formatting is a skill that will serve you well, not only in Power BI, but in any data visualization project. Practice often and experiment with different layouts to find what works best for your specific reporting needs. I hope this guide has given you the confidence to effectively edit and format text boxes in Power BI. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy reporting!